Hi, teacher. I didn't bring an apple.
Why?
Well, I forgot. First day of school.
Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. This is Ugoloma and this is your student Ugo and the teacher Ugo. Well, that's my husband anyway. I'm the teacher. For today, you're the student. I'm the teacher, okay? And you two are the students and the listeners. Okay, so today we are going to begin our Igbo lessons. Asusu Igbo. So that
Asusu Igbo.
yes, Asusu Igbo, Igbo language. For you to start any language at all, you have to start from the basics, right? So we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to be learning what we call ABD Igbo. Say it. ABD Igbo.
ABD Igbo.
Correct. Good. So we're going to be learning ABD Igbo. To start ABD Igbo is letters, okay? Alphabets. In English, you have, how many letters do you have in English language? 26 or 28?
I think it's 26.
Yeah, about that. I don't know. I'm an Igbo teacher now. So, but in Igbo language, we have 36, and we're going to be learning all the 36 words and how to pronounce them. Before you start learning any language, you have to learn to pronounce the words. That way, you will not use your English intonation or your French intonation or any other intonation to speak the language, okay? Let us get into the class of today. That reminds me, while this class is going on, if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell beside the subscribe button too, so you get notified whenever we upload videos, okay? Now, let's get, this is 36, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you count 5 times 7, will give you 30, right?
Yeah.
And 6, so 36. To start, I'm going to pronounce all those words, listen to me as I pronounce them, okay? And when I'm done, I will allow you to pronounce after me, so you repeat after me. So I'll say, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, E, G, H, I, A, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nye, Nwe, Nyi, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. So some of these letters sound the same as English, right? But some of them don't sound alike. So I'm going to be mentioning them now. Read after me. Pronounce after me. A, B,
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 Ch,
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 D,
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 E.
E.
Now, do you see that this one is pronounced as A? In English, you pronounce it as A, right? A, right? But in Igbo, it is A. Correct. And this one is pronounced as A. So this in English is A. But this in Igbo is A. So remember that. So let's go again. A, B,
B,
Ch,
Ch,
D,
D,
E.
E.
I hope you follow. F,
F,
G.
G,
This is a little tricky, so listen very well.
okay.
G,
G,
W,
W,
W.
W.
Now you have here B, right? B, G,
Yeah.
B, G, B together will give you W,
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 W.
W.
Correct. R, R, G,
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 G.
G. R, this is H, R.
Sound like a motorbike.
Yes, it's all like you have this crack here. I know it sounds a little difficult, but you can try.
Boy.
Very good. Did you try that? Say it again.
Gue.
Re.
Gue.
Very good. Gui.
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 Good. He.
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 Like when you're saying in Igbo, in English, he. He is, right?
Yeah.
H. He.
He.
E.
E.
Now notice another thing that is different. E.
Okay.
E in English is this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is E in English. But in Igbo, this is E. Right? Okay, so this is E. Say that. E.
E.
Not I. E. A. A.
A.
Now this is without a dot underneath.
Both eyes, right?
Both of them are I. I with a dot. So the first I is without a dot, and the second I is with a dot under. So when you're writing a small letter, you will now have I, and then you now have I. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
That is a small letter, capital, capital. Okay? So this is E.
E.
A.
E.
So this one sounds a little bit harder. A, like a tone.
Mm-hmm.
A, like a piano tone, right?
Yeah.
E, A, go.
E. A.
Correct. J,
J.
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 So this J is like G in English,
Mm-hmm.
okay? But in Igbo, G is G, and the G here is J. You call in English you call it J, right?
Yeah.
And in Igbo we call it J, like Jiri J, Jiri J,
J.
J,
J.
K,
K.
K,
K.
K. Just like in English you say C, K,
Okay.
like
It's like you're cutting the K off.
oh,
The K, you like,
K, K,
or it sound like somebody choking.
Akara, Akara, K. Okay, K. Now the next one you have is ba, ba, K, K, and ba,
Well,
ba, ba.
you sound like you're saying with B.
No, it is KP. Ba, ba. Try it.
Bruh,
Ba,
bruh,
ba, ba, ra, ba.
bruh.
Correct.
Say it?
Yes. Say it again.
Bruh.
Correct. You get better. Okay. Next one is que, que,
Que,
que,
que,
que. Now normally when I say some of
Que.
these words, I'm always like it's as if I'm adding I a little bit in it.
yeah.
It will help you to pronounce better. Okay.
Okay.
Que,
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 que. I hope you
Que.
follow me. So this is be, be,
que,
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 be, que.
que,
Good. Le,
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 le. That's
Le.
easy, right?
mm,
It's like English. Me,
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 ma, 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 ma,
ma,
na,
me,
me. Correct. Ne,
ne,
ne.
ne,
Now this is normal. This le, me, ne. It's like English. L, M, N, right? It's almost the same. Now when we get to this next one, it's a little different. That is an added word. English don't have this. So this is ne,
ne,
ne.
ne,
Like it's coming from here. You feel it vibrate here.
ne,
Good. Say it again.
ne,
Good. Did you try that? Okay. And a W. So ni. W.
Mwe.
Mwe.
Mwe,
Mwe. Mwe. Mwere.
mwe,
Mwa. Mwa. Mwe.
mwe,
Ni.
felt like I was conducting for a second. My arm kept lifting up. I was like I was conducting the choir. I was like, man.
Yes, it's allowed. Okay, let's get back there. Nye,
Yeah.
we,
Mwe.
nye,
Yeah.
nye,
Yeah.
nye. Why? Nye, nye.
Yeah.
Good. O.
Oh.
O is like the regular O in English. O. Now the next one you see is with a dot, just like this. You had a dot here, right? And then you have a dot here too. This one is O, like regular. O. O.
O.
Yes. Give me 5.
Huh.
Yes, you got it. Did you get it? O.
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 Correct. So you have O. P.
Pe.
P.
Pe.
P like a P, right? P is the same.
Pe.
Re.
Re.
In English, you say R. R. Re. Re. Re.
Re.
Re.
Re.
Correct. C. S. Like a
Se.
Hey. Hey.
So it's not like S, we say S.
S. There's no S. In English, you say S. So remove the air now. Just say S. Okay? Re. Astere. Okay. She.
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 T.
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 It's regular, like the T. Ooh.
Ooh.
Now you see, this is different from English. English say you. Okay? But we say ooh. Ooh, like a big girl. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Now you see the next one has a dot underneath. Okay, and it has this dot makes it oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. No. You are saying oh. Oh. You need ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh,
Oh.
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 Correct. Ah. Oh. You see? That's the difference. Ah. Oh. Okay?
Oh.
Good. Did you get it? Okay, next one. V.
Ve.
Like a V, right? We.
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 Were. We.
We.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you say yeah. Fry. Yeah. Yeah. Z.
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 Z. We don't call it Z. We call it Z.
Z.
Z. Okay. Now we've gone through it a little bit. Now we're going to go through it quickly, faster. I'm hoping that by now you will have gotten used to pronouncing it. So let's go. Say after me one by one. A. B.
B.
Ch.
Ch.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
Fe.
G.
Ge.
We.
We.
Re.
We.
Re.
Ge.
Re. Gui.
Gui.
He.
I.
E.
I.
E.
E.
J.
J.
K.
Ke.
B.
We.
B. 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 B.
Ve.
B.
Be.
Good. You're gonna get better, okay? You're gonna get better. Just keep practicing. Que.
Que.
Que. Que.
Que.
Le.
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 Me.
Me.
Ne.
Ne.
Nye.
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 Ne.
Nwe.
Mwe.
Nwe.
Mwe.
Nyi.
Ni.
O.
O.
A.
A.
Pe.
Pe.
Re.
Re.
Se.
Se.
She.
She.
Te.
Te.
U.
U.
O.
O.
Vi.
Vi.
We.
We.
Ye.
Ye.
Z.
Z.
That's very good. Hope you got that. Yes. Give yourself a pat on the back. Just do like that. Very good. Okay, so now you've known the alphabet, okay? I'm going to teach you a simple song. It's a little difficult for you, or for you that is hearing this for the first time, but don't worry. The more you practice it, the more you get better at it. It's a simple song, just like children will learn how to read A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have ours in Igbo language, okay? Now I'm going to sing it for you line by line. A, B, C, D, E, go.
A, B, C, D, E.
Good. Figgy, wiggy, gwi. Try.
Figgy, wig,
Gwi,
gwi, gwi,
gwi.
gwi.
All right, let's do that again. Line 2. Figgy, wiggy, gwi. Go.
Fizzy, gwi, fizzy, gwi, gwi. Gwi.
Good. I know this. Don't worry. When you practice, you get better at it, okay? He, E, J, K. Go.
He, E, J,
A.
He, E, J, K.
Very good. Be, quili, ne, ne.
Gwe,
Be,
gwe,
be, be, be.
gwe, gwe, le, me, ne.
Good. Be, quili, me, ne.
Gwe, gwe, le, me, ne.
Nye, wi, ni, o, o.
Nye, mwe, nye, o, a.
Pere, se, shete.
Pere, she, pere, se, shete.
Woo! U, o, vi, we, yeze.
U, o, vi, we, ye, ze.
Very good. Give me 5. Do you want to give me 5 too? Okay, so this is where we're going to end today's class. The song is very easy. Just follow it line by line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, R, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Z. Alright, so in our next class, we are going to be learning how to use these letters to form words. So next class, we're going to be learning how to use this one to form letters. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you for watching. I hope I'll be seeing you in our next class. Get your booklet, get your pen, and get ready to learn how to sew Igbo. I'll see you next time. You take care. Bye. What do you have to say?
And now I know my dads. Tell me what you think of me.
Bye. See you next time.